Alright guys, in this video we are unboxing the brand new AirPod Pros 2. Alright, so this is one of those products that I was super excited about when I heard it at Apple's event. I use my AirPods all the time for a bunch of different things, and them getting an upgrade is definitely something that I'm mad excited about. You can see this classic AirPods Pros packaging, but let's not waste any time and actually get this thing unboxed. There we go. Of course, we've got the standard paperwork. I mean, I've been unboxing so many products these past few days. You guys should get the idea by now. AirPods Pro. And now we've got the case. There it is. Super shiny. I've not seen an AirPods Pro case this shiny in such a long time. Before we take a look at these, there are still some new things in the box. So I think you guys can already see what's going to be underneath here, but if you just lift right there, we've obviously got a charger as well as some brand new tips. So something that was added this year was the addition of a brand new extra small ear tips, which is obviously going to be clutch for those with, well, smaller ears, obviously. It's pretty self-explanatory. And of course, your standard Lightning to USB-C charger. And there is the brand new spot for you to put a lanyard, which I think is super clutch because, like, I don't know, there have been so many times where I'm just like, you know, where are my AirPods? Where's a case, right? And just having something simple like this, it's a borderline no-brainer. And I like the fact that it's actually centered and doesn't look weird. Almost like, imagine you're looking at the bottom of Gen 1 AirPods case. It's kind of the vibe that it gives off. Not to mention the silver matches right here, so it doesn't look too out of place. Coming around the bottom, you can see the speakers that they've added so that you can actually find your AirPods case this time. This is going to make it much easier to find the case this time. Of course, lightning charging, and you know, when they were describing the fact that, oh, this AirPods case is now compatible with an Apple Watch charger, I was honestly expecting a little bit of a different design to kind of accommodate, you know, that dip that the Apple Watch charger has. And the fact that they managed to keep it clean to that original AirPods Pro case design, I like it. I'll definitely have to try it out with my Apple Watch charger, but now onto the AirPods. Oh, a little noise. Alrighty, so here's the AirPod itself. Nothing looking too different, not that it would. I mean, the speaker section here looks a little bit smaller, but I don't know if that's just me. Yeah, I mean, something new that's with this AirPod is it obviously has that brand new H2 chip, which obviously should be helping out with sound quality, like hearing the basses, clarity, all that fun stuff. But something that they kept mentioning was the fact that these AirPods are now going to have way better noise cancellation. So I'm definitely excited to put those to the test because it claims to be 2 times better, and honestly, AirPod Pros have the best noise cancellation in the game. I honestly don't even think it's close competition because of how good the Gen 1 AirPod Pros noise cancellation is, so we'll have to see. Speaking of the Gen 1, here is the Gen 1 AirPod Pros, and you can see exactly what I was talking about regarding the difference in size of the speakers. But one thing I'm actually noticing right now, and you can actually see this kind of with the light, is the fact that these speakers are exposed and these ones aren't. So we'll see how that affects the speaker quality, but there's actually a handful of differences, all right? Underneath here, you can see that there's a sensor on this one, there isn't on this one. You can see up here at the top, there is a sensor here and there isn't one here. There must obviously be a distinct reason why they did this. So again, we'll have to test that out when it comes to the noise cancellation. Feeling it right now in my hands, I feel like the AirPod itself is just a little bit smaller on the second one, but the stem is that little bit longer, possibly because they had to fit more tech for the fact that the stem now actually has touch control, which is, again, something that I really missed from my original AirPods, because the amount of times that I want to change volume, but I'm only using my AirPods and I have to go to my phone. Touch controls on these AirPods is definitely going to make a huge difference. Popping it back into the case. And that's pretty much everything when it comes to the brand new AirPod Pros. Now, if there's anything that you guys want me to test out specifically, be sure to leave that in the comments, as I'll be reviewing these guys in a little bit of time after some testing. There's a lot of new things to test out, so I'm mad excited. Leave a like if you guys are too, and subscribe for all the brand new content on the way. Thanks for watching.